Leaping Lanny. The Poffo family, symbolic of a whole family of tough athletes. Let me tell you something for a flat-out fact. These people, look at Lanny. And a fine move there. Savage comes back in. Watch out for the rock and roll. We're enjoying it. Yes, sir. Savage, after one of the crowd, the referee starts the count. Here comes Lanny back into the ring. And Angelo trying to quiet the crowd down. They're 100% behind Rick and Robert. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Angelo Poffo complaining about something. Well, I don't know. Look at this. Look at this. Going to work on the knee or the leg of Lanny. Tag out. Robert comes across the leg from the top rope. Use the rope as leverage, and look at those moves. They go after Lanny. Dixon, both of them. Angelo better watch out or he'll be put down. Randy Savage leaps into the ring. Robert Gibson. Angelo comes around, going to distract Rick Morton. Morton will go after him, I am certain. Yes, sir. Sends him down. Angelo Poffo does his job, distract anybody around. Oh my goodness. Look at Lanny go after Robert, but Robert gets out of the way. Here comes Morton. Ricky goes after Randy Savage, puts Leaping Lanny down. Savage is reversed out of the ring. Look out! Angelo sends him in and kicking him at the 6.5-minute mark. The Savage and Poffos getting vicious. They are getting vicious. Big right hand to Morton. Fires him back in the ring. Into the turnbuckle. Morton is hard. A boot to the top of the head. Drops down on the back of Morton. Rick taking a tremendous amount of punishment. Elbow. Savage snaps him down. And Morton moves. Rick is badly cut. A tremendous cut on the head of Rick Morton. But Rick, we remember, a tremendous amount of fight. But he's caught by Savage in the corner. Rick with the right hand. But Leaping Lanny with the boot to the midsection. To the turnbuckle and a tag on Savage. Lanny holds it tight as Randy Savage hurls him out. This is just smooth by Savage. Oh my goodness. Jordan picked up, back in the ring, trying to get the tag. Missed it, and a tag on Savage's brother, Randy Poffo. Here comes Angelo. Angelo Poffo, with his brand of commentating. Lanny, Rick Morton moves. Good move on Rick Morton. He made the tag. Yes, sir. Goes after Lanny. Puts down Savage. Right hand to the head. Puts Savage down. Fires him in. Ducks him over. Oh! And a disqualification. Disqualification. 9 minutes of time. As the win goes to